people on your blog hungry. Alright, I need to go work.
Go ahead, do it.
No, you're not going to have it half covered with a spoon. Just take the picture.
I'm recording this. This is a training video on how to make a very oily egg.
I want a taco.
Yeah, go ahead. Get one.
This is where the taco needs to be. You put taco here?
Ethan.
Taco, please.
No, no.
Really? Please. I repent.
No, I'm done doing this, okay?
How long will that?
How long?
I'm starving.
That looks pretty much done, right? Nice egg. See how much less waste that is when you do it like that? And it's still just as good.
Unlikely. That's what I always say.
Okay.
Viva la raza.
Thanks for the training.